The pleasure is all mine to have you back. To stay up to date with Shiba Inu market trends and pricing, be sure to sign up for our newsletter. Kusama, who worked on developing the Shiba Inu, is quoted as saying, close to Habria Media, it was announced in a recent Telegram update by Shytoshi Kusama that beta testing for Habria will begin very soon. The Shiba Inu project pseudonymous principal developer Shytoshi Kusama announced the upcoming Siberian beta testing phase via a Telegram update. A printout of the chat on Telegram suggests as much. A statement by Kusama: the beta release of the dog-themed cryptocurrency Samarium and the Ethereum L2 scaling network is imminent. A popular Shiba Inu blogger recently posted the screenshot on Telegram. The crypto fundamental stated earlier this year that one of Shiba Farm's development teams, Unification, had disclosed earlier this year that beta testing for the L2 network would open by the end of September 2022, which has elicited excitement from members of the Shiba Inu community. In spite of the team's best efforts, a technical problem with Barium delayed the project's launch date. Many SHIB holders have been under the impression that the debut of Shiba Farms is imminent in recent weeks, thanks in part to a special countdown that was communicated by several members of the team. Even if Kusama has stated his interest is with the L2 network, Shiba Inu fans still think the countdown was for Shabbat. Many people were let down when they realized the countdown was just for a website upgrade. It was recently discovered that the website revamp was crucial for the debut of Shabbat, and the chief developer in charge of the project is a Shiba Inu named Shib Trophy. Our primary website is the first thing he has to update. This is the first step toward the beta release of Shiba Farms, and it's a big one. Not all of the site will go up at once. There will be a series of rollouts, and we'll do our best to keep things running smoothly. The trophy has already been decided upon. There is currently no set timetable for the team to begin beta testing with barium quality assurance. With the winter break quickly approaching, it is possible that the Siberian beta will launch early in the new year. She needs to recover in time for the next upswing in the market. Goldstein, David. Fan of the crypto world, Goldstein expects her to make a comeback during the subsequent crypto bull run. David Goldstein, founder of Goldstein Media and podcaster, has publicly stated his approval of the Shiba Inu meme currency on Twitter. Additionally, he thinks that SHIB will be able to recover if the cryptocurrency market experiences another bull run, and this digital currency reaches new highs. Goldstein has predicted that Shiba Inu prices will surge during the next market upswing. A recent tweet warned that it must return by the end of 2022. David has demonstrated a lot of love for Shiba Inus by admiring the ecology they've created in the metaverse that's currently being constructed. In addition, he advocated for the SHIB price to hit 1 cent in August. Despite his earlier prediction that the meme coin will never be worth more than a penny, this was done anyhow. The crypto influencer has already stated that he anticipates SHIB to surge in value during the next bull run. This was said in a tweet from the month of October, and applied to both SHIB and Doge. The two most valuable 9 tokens. Goldstein made a comment this past autumn about how her 2020 debut was initially labeled as the Doge Killer. He claimed that he should have bet the farm on SHIB instead of worrying about the Doge Killer moniker. His previous tweet suggested that expanding the crypto market and Bitcoin's user base was the primary motivation for the creation of meme currencies. Shiba Inu's latest dip to add another zero to its price makes a recovery seem extremely unlikely at this moment. The current price of the coin is 0.582, representing a loss of 1.36% in value over the last 24 hours. Apparently, Shiba and Project are doing well on CoinMarketCap. Preemptively hints at a forthcoming change. Shibin, a well-known service that keeps tabs on transactions and burn, appears to be in the midst of a redesigned Sherborne Radio. One of Clyburn's ventures tweeted that it had resolved a payment problem with a big advertiser. In any case, it's going to keep going from here on out. SHIB is being burned, and after the aforementioned website update is live, users will be able to conduct a search to learn just how much SHIB was consumed by this endeavor. Is Shuberry ready to launch? Shiba Inu begins special countdown. Meme coin Shiba Inu, which competes with Dogecoin and has a $5 billion market valuation, is undergoing a number of planned changes between now and the end of 2023. There was a mysterious countdown tease on the official Twitter account, and the tweet included a link to the countdown. Visitors are redirected to a web page that displays, in the form of a stopwatch, And there's a picture of a dog looking out a window in the backdrop. Also, if you want to help out, you may do so by enjoying the video and subscribing to our channel. The Shia community and the meme-making world are both baffled by the tweet. Fans of Coin believe that this may be a hint for the forthcoming Layer 2 scaling solution Siberian, as part of a larger disclosure, such as a partnership or new employment in a metaverse project. Developers have previously issued teasers for comparable events. It was in April of 2022 that developers on the SHIB ecosystem began the scaling project. While the Ethereum network is secure and scalable, the Dogecoin killer currently functions on the underlying Bitcoin blockchain. Since Ethereum successfully made the switch from proof of work to proof of stake, transaction fees have remained high. Projects like Shiba Inu, which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, require higher scalability, and this merge has exposed scalability difficulties on the second largest cryptocurrency's blockchain network. As a result, we have cybercrime to add a second layer or chain to something that already exists. As a base, a significant SHIB price increase may follow the implementation of the blockchain in Siberia. The purpose of Shiba farms is to reduce load on the Ethereum network, which serves as its base chain. The Layer 2 solution will process transactions and distribute the load alongside the main Ethereum-based chain. The SHIB community, or SHIB army as it is more well known, has been a strong advocate for a Layer 2 scaling solution. A rally in the Dogecoin killer is expected to follow the opening of Shiba farms, which will increase SHIB's practicality. From its peak of $4,000 in 1988, the price of a Shiba Inu has dropped approximately 90%. A big spike in the meme coin's price may be sparked by the introduction of the SHIB scaling solution. The Shiba Inu price index is gearing up for a 95% rally. The value of Shiba Inu has been falling steadily since the last quarter of 2021. When looking at the chart below, it is clear that the 50-day exponential moving average in orange is acting as resistance, keeping the Shiba Inu price from breaking above it. All through this year, her price has been in a narrow, downward channel. At this time, it is pushing against the channel's rim. A resumption of attempts to break out would be signaled by closing above the upper channel line. Bottom panel momentum indicator relative strength index is converging with price. Take the RSI low reading in June 2022 as an example of its failure to follow prices to a new low. This is a bullish indicator at the time since it suggests there may be underlying strength. The release of Shiba farms could operate as a positive trigger for SHIB pricing, causing it to rise above the declining channel. From a price of $5.85 to $4.88, SI price has a 95% up move potential. However, traders should proceed cautiously because the Shiba Inu price is still technically in a downtrend, which indicates a tendency for the trend to continue lower. Your attention is appreciated. Wait for the next video.